Hey there, let's take a quick look at how easy it is to use the PaintQuote Pro Basic Calculator. We're going to create a detailed paint quote in under a minute. Okay, first up, project details. We'll start by popping in the room dimensions. Let's set the length and width to 4.5 meters and we'll adjust the height to 2.7. This room has two doors, not just one, so let's update that. For the surface type, a quick click and we'll select smooth plaster. Quality is key, so we're going for a premium paint for an excellent finish. And the customer wants a really durable job, so let's select 3 coats instead of the recommended 2. All right, all the project details are in. Now for our pricing. We can easily adjust our hourly rate. Let's bring it down to $25 for this example, and we'll set our desired profit margin to a lean 15%. Everything's set. Let's hit calculate coverage and boom. Just like that, we have our breakdown. It tells us we have 41 square meters to paint, which will require 14 liters. Now, what should we actually quote the client? Let's click on the pricing strategy tab. There it is, a recommended quote of 547, which gives us the 15% profit margin we wanted. Here's a really cool feature. Working internationally, no problem. You can instantly switch currencies. Let's see the price in US dollars, Australian dollars, and Canadian dollars. It converts everything automatically. How neat is that? Let's switch back to pounds and watch this. The best part is how dynamic it is. If I slide the hourly rate up to, say, 75 an hour, you can see the recommended quote updates instantly. No need to recalculate. The same goes for our profit margin. Let's bump that up to a healthier 25%. And there you go. Our new quote is 782 with a 156 profit. So there you have it. A fast, accurate, and flexible way to create professional paint quotes. Stop guessing and start quoting with confidence.